Welcome back. This is part 2 of the cold weather operation of a green fuel HHO green fuel H2O Gfx1 19 plate V6 system. It's been about 30 minutes since I started my car at 33 degrees. The weather report here for Minneapolis today, October the 26th, at about 8:30. My watch says 8:30, which is exactly 30 minutes since I started my car. We're still at 34 degrees. Okay, my car's temperature is almost warmed up. I have a 180 degree thermostat and we're showing 172. The voltage from the alternator is a steady 14 point something, 14.3, 14.2. The car is idling just under 1,000. We started out with a temperature of 33.8 30 minutes ago on the reservoir. Right now we have 56.3 and our amp gauge is showing 18.8, which is about an amp off. When I go under the hood, it should be at about 19.8. I have my amp meter here and we're going to go check that now. Pull the hood. Okay. Check our bubble production here. Wow. You can see that that's the gas coming from the reservoir going into the bubbler. Anyway, back to what I was going to do. Amperage 18.9, 18.8. Okay, let's go look at the dash, see what it says. Now they're saying about the same. 18.5, 18.6, 18.9, 19, 19, 19. It's bumping on 19, 19.1. Back here, 19. Now I didn't adjust anything on the display. Somehow it's equalized. I'm not sure. It looks like coolant got into the gas line coming from the reservoir. I don't know. I put antifreeze in there for a bubbler so it wouldn't freeze. And it looks like some of that antifreeze got into the outbound line from the reservoir. Not sure how that's going to affect things, but there's a little bit of bubbles right there that's coming from the electrolyte reservoir. That's potassium hydroxide. And then this is coolant from the bubbler, which you can see is not very full. The tube goes almost all the way to the bottom. Bubbling pretty good. 19 amps. It's running smooth. Sounds good. I installed million-watt pulse plugs on this car. I also have a voltage stabilizer from Pivot Racing, the Mega Raisin, and a lot of extra ground straps. I actually have a direct cable coming from the case of the alternator to the ground, and I have a positive cable going from the charged post on the alternator straight to the positive post to the battery. I have a number of other ground straps, 3 other ground straps, connect the battery, the motor, and the frame. So my car is running very smooth due to a lot of components. The most recent addition is the HHO, and we're still learning what needs to be done to get safe, dependable, predictable operation out of it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll get some mileage numbers over the next month.